Hi guys, welcome back to Idol Busy and All Clean channel. And my friend here.
Yeah, my name is Brian. So today you are
prospective graduates.
So today we are having a walk. Just reconnecting with nature.
Yes.
And checking out some places at Kapsisiwa, Nandi County. Stay posted.
Wow, that was so nice. So we'll be on the way with you guys and we'll take snippets of here and there. So be with us on the way.
This place is called Kapsisiwa and we've been here with a number of my friends. Among them was the one I am with right now. So since they were absent and he was graduating and we decided as we wait for the D-Day, why wouldn't we just take a walk, go and check out this Eliud Kipchoge library. It was amazing. The walk was nice, everything was nice. We took photos here and there.
We have like a long way ahead and we came on foot and we're going back on foot, which is good for me because I have literally taken a lot of sugar. I need this walk.
what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me.
I guess those can be lilies. I'm not so sure. So let's see if these are lilies.
Got issues in my head. I like you in my bed.
Yo.
Keep me on bed. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me?
And then there's this one. How come they're growing close together and they're used for the same thing? I mean,
Don't go too far.
there could be a snake here. Where the waters are still. Never trust that thing. And just feeling. I already feel weird at me. So look at that. Can you pick one?
You want to pick one? I don't know. Just don't want something jumping out of the bush.
Me too, that's what I'm careful about.
Okay.
I think we should go back.
Now, this is a beautiful place.
Yeah, it is very. We're good to go.
Fine, you're good.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3.
Morning guys, so I'm here to briefly explain about the graduation event for the section that you'll be now watching after this Kipchoge library visit. So first of all, it begins on a Friday.
I was so excited that the day was here, and this is a Friday evening where we're supposed to be having a worship session as prospective graduates.
Think real hard about what you want to be.
Can you imagine, as I was marching in, my motorboat decided to just dance off my head.
Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though.
Saturday is here, taking photos with people who are graduating as well. It was fun and all, yeah. And then now this is the second procession, because on Friday there was a procession and a recession, and then now today on a Saturday there is also a procession and a recession, and finally we are all settled in and listening to whatever we were being told.
Demons, yo, negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Finally, the service was over and we dispersed in a recession manner, and we all went for various activities and lunch as well, yeah.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Finally, the day was here. I was feeling a lot of joy. Do you know joy? A lot of joy in me. I was so happy. Everything was just flowing well. My parents were there. My grandma was there. Many grandmas were there. My aunties. And can you imagine? Also, an auntie that resides nearby decided to host us, like a town away, decided to host the after party, and I was so humbled by that. I'm so grateful. Wherever you are, auntie, God bless you.
your tassels to the left side. Yes. And make sure it stays there. Sometimes the tassels misbehave.